In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a bill on your AWS account cloud. Managing your AWS bills efficiently is crucial, and I'm here to guide you step by step through the process. First things first, let's get started by opening your preferred web browser and typing in AWS. You'll find the search results will lead you straight to the AWS website. Once you're on the AWS homepage, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. It's important to ensure that you enter your details correctly to avoid any sign-in issues. Once successfully logged in, you'll want to head to a specific area of AWS, namely the Billing and Cost Management console. You can jump directly there by going to the URL console AWS amazon.com/cost management. This is the central hub for managing your finances on AWS, so you'll find yourself here often. On the Billing and Cost Management page, look to the navigation pane on the left-hand side and find the Payments option. Clicking it will take you to a section dedicated to managing how you pay for AWS services. AWS has a system where your default payment method is charged automatically at the start of each month. However, sometimes things don't go as planned and the payment might fail. When that happens, any outstanding invoices will be displayed prominently on the Payments page, making it easy for you to spot issues. If for any reason you found yourself needing to make a manual payment, the process is straightforward. You simply select the invoice that needs attention. Once selected, you'll then confirm your method of payment. Double-checking these details is always a good idea to ensure you're using the correct account. Once you're satisfied, complete the payment, and just like that, you've managed your account payment. Sometimes, issues with payments arise because the default payment method isn't set up correctly or has expired. If this happens to you, it's essential to update it as soon as possible. You can do this directly on the Payments page or by navigating to the Payment Methods page. Keeping your payment methods up to date helps avoid any interruptions to your AWS services. Finally, on the Payments page, you'll also find a detailed view of your outstanding invoices, as well as a history of past payments. This is a great spot to keep tabs on what's coming up or to double-check any previous transactions you've made. And that's all there is to it. You've learned how to manage your payments on AWS, ensuring everything's running smoothly and interruptions are kept at bay. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out other videos if you need assistance with different AWS features.